He was hurt, but he didn't run. Not from the pain, not from the hunt, not from his brother's side. This is the cheetah, not just the fastest creature on land, but one of the most loyal. When predators clash or hunts go wrong, wounds are inevitable. What's rare is what happens after. They sit together silent, unmoving, one injured, one alert. Brothers, bonded not just by blood, but by survival. In the wild, companionship isn't a luxury, it's a strategy. And sometimes, the fiercest act is not the chase, it's the wait. Shout out to Mother Nature. Pasó la